Relax.
Babe. I love you, you know.
Baby, I love you more.
Why you have to create fuss over everything?
I know say create fuss, but...
Shh, calm down now, babe. Shh, calm down, babe. Go your sweat. Go your sweat. You know how much energy that?
Right now, you should not make me a sweat. So no make me start up back on you now. Eh?
I could go in a room and
go in a room, go do what?
See if me can...
Go do what?
See, babe, to see,
go do?
To see if me can get up back.
Go relax and wait for something to eat. Come in now, you drop down for me.
So, you mean come already?
Yes. No, she not come yet. But she soon come. Any minute now. But
I don't think it's that.
You don't smell so good neither. You don't even look like you bathed from last night. You not bathed last night?
No.
Go bathe, man. Go on. You don't smell good at all, B. You don't smell so good.
That bad?
Go on, go bathe.
Come bathe with me, babe.
Oh.
Me and you in the shower.
Babe.
Probably that can help, you know, give me a little urge more.
I'll relax here. I'm waiting on her. So, upon arrival, me now move for you, so. Alright.
Ready, action.
If you ever need somebody, somebody you can call on me, baby. If you need somebody to be there for you, you can call on me.
God, I'm finally reach. That's even a say a word. Let me people feel the man I'm having there. God, look what I'm going to take upon myself as a young hot girl. See a man, I want to come clean people dirty house. It's a word a while. See, I'm going to tell people to come early. I'm not even see a sheep here wait for me, you know. And a red king girl if they wait for me, you know.
Coming. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Didn't you see in the WhatsApp that I said dress code was black and white?
Black and white.
Black and white.
Me not have miss. Me really don't have the black and the white. So that's why I try my best. This is not even for me either. I'm a little cousin. Me and I wear the same size. I'm a bar.
You know what? That's okay. We can work with that for now. So remember I sent everything to the WhatsApp.
Yeah, you may have it.
So your duties around the house, the do's and the don'ts, right?
Yeah.
So always check to have a reminder. So you don't do nothing. Yeah. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright, come on in.
Take off my shoes.
Yes, take them off.
That girl you see, man. So where we must go next? Cause that never in on the phone.
That means you didn't check. You can head straight to the kitchen.
Alright.
Alright.
Cookie, you say?
Yes, miss.
Tracy. Girl, I feel so frightened of her.
Tracy, you have everything covered in the kitchen? Tracy, everything all right in the kitchen?
No, Pops, that I list. All I want you to do, the only thing I want you to do, Pops, just line up some different foreman. Then when them lazy, you know, Pops, I rum the man, my drink pan the other day, I go oversee no I go on, you know. It's super bad. rum. But yes, the supervisor tell me say all them do is drink rum. Drink that. Just imagine you send on your money now to get the business done and all these men do is drinking rum. Eh? Oh, they...
So skinny, that means that the supervisor well, that means the foreman, guess what?
Yeah.
Get rid of them. Get rid of them.
That have to say long time, Pops. Pops, that have to say long time. Because if them not the fact say them a drink rum. Yeah, Pops, for sure. Yeah, for sure. There's no way you can't.
Oh, this kind of mistress cheer.
They take it for a blessing. Get rid of them.
I get rid of them.
I have to tell you this one more time. Get rid of them and get some new people.
Excuse you?
Yes, Pops.
Hello? You don't know that you're not supposed to be seated
Now show
there.
you back later, yeah?
Yeah, man. Let me know what's going on and let me call you.
Oh, it's your father. Sir?
Yeah. I deal with it, man. That's simple 1, 2, 3, man. You know,
Big boy. Big man.
Like that, man. Alright, later.
Alright, how you say me lose you what the first morning?
Okay, I remember my grandson.
You know, easy, you know, Pops. I'll call you later.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Alright, yes, Pops. Yeah, man. Hang up, Pops. But Pops not easy, you know, even turn by phone and chat.
Excuse me, I'm talking to you. I'm saying that you can't sit there.
What?
You can't sit there.
What do you mean I can't
This
sit
seat is reserved for someone else.
Listen to me, man. I am first day upon work. No fit talk to people when you talk or you talk. Here, for true.
Unfortunately, I don't work for you, and I'm not planning on leaving this job. You're not supposed to sit there. It's the mistress chair. It's the lady of the house chair.
Hey, snap out tight. You good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cheer that, man.
I must joke this.
I'm gonna cheer that, man. Not my premium, but watch your style now, see? Just do your work easy with the assassination. You're full of mouth too much, man.
You know what I think I know you?
Know me?
Yes.
Yeah,
no, real, for true. I swear, I think I recognize you from somewhere, but I don't quite remember it. Yeah. You remember when it was a day and you said to me it's like you was making fun. You would say how it would have looked for you say me last 2 times in one day with the bend and the bend and the bend.
Yesterday, are you the girl?
Yeah, how you manage to forget somebody so quick?
Yesterday can be like last year. Sometime and everything, me would just do something right, so I don't remember. So.
Oh, so it's your sister's house?
Sister?
Yeah, Miss no, Cookie.
I'm a partner and I'm a sister. That's my ride or die if it's true.
Oh,
where's
you guys work together?
No, my girlfriend.
Oh, no wonder why you would say is your chair.
Yeah, man, I'm my chair, man. Oh. But, yeah, man, what a coincidence, eh? Yeah.
What the old people always say. For that saying, man, like they must say. No, man, there's a old saying for it. Like, you know, they must say you can't run too far or something like that.
Yeah.
I'll remember one day, though.
Yeah, but, weird.
And I didn't even catch your name the day.
Oh, Kevin. Alright, skinny. So for
Kevin.
True.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So, and the thing, man.
Yeah.
Thing. So for sure. You go cook, right?
Yes, it was sent to me.
Some fish in the fridge, salmon. So you can just prepare it and stuff.
Okay, allergic to anything of that sort?
Not really. Just regular season and stuff.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, man, I'm blessed up again, man, you know?
Yeah.
We're there. Yeah.
Hi, funny, man. Just can't remember what my granny always tell me, say. Then all this red king girl, they go on like a fair place. No one. She man that day. Right, no, I'm not even want to clean a hot topic this